Blessed morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. How you all doing? You know it's Link 7.2 to the V. Just checking base with you guys and just updating you as it relates to that tragic earthquake that hit Haiti on Saturday morning. Now reports are coming out of Haiti that the death toll has surpassed more than 1,000. And can you just imagine right now what that country is going through? And it's a difficult moment for that country, which has seen many natural disasters over the past few years, and a number of lives have been lost over the past few years. As you remember, just a few weeks ago, the president was also assassinated in that country, and it's very sad to see what transpired there in that incident. But so far, rescue workers are still on hand trying to see if they can recover survivors that may be still trapped under the rubble of the 7.2 magnitude earthquake that was felt among many other countries as well. And it's one of those situations that we really look on and we just really need to reflect and just value life, because no one knows the minute or the hour when things such as these will happen. It's an unfortunate situation and a very tragic one for Haiti. And Haiti has been one of those nations that have been reeling from the effects of other natural disasters, including flood, earthquakes, among other things. And when we look on what is going on, it's a very unpredictable situation and a very sad one for Haiti in this current situation that they are faced with. But as it stands right now, rescue workers are on hand and they're just trying to recover survivors that have been trapped from Saturday. And a number of people have been recovered so far. A number of them have been injured, and a number of them as well are still trying to recover from what is said to be one of the massive earthquakes that struck that country on Saturday morning. Now, in recent time, Haiti have been struck by a previous earthquake, but this is actually a stronger one than the previous one. There have been a number of videos circulating online which depicts the actual aftermath of the earthquake itself, and I can tell you those images are very shocking, and the videos that have been surfacing online, they just goes to show you that that country right now is in a serious problem, and a problem that they might never recover from in this great instance. But all I can say with that, we have Haiti in our prayers, and whatever you can do in order to assist Haiti right now, I'm just imploring you, the fans out there, just try your very best to reach out to them in the best possible way that you can. But it's very unfortunate what happened to Haiti right now, and it's a sad situation for that country. But we'll continue to keep you up to date with more information to come on this. This has been Link 7 TV, and this is day 3 of earthquake in Haiti. Thanks for watching as always, and please subscribe to the channel, where we will continue to just keep you up to date with what's going on and the recovery process in that country. Have a blessed and productive day.